Operation resilience is centered around critical business services. So, scenario testing is an approach to ensure critical business services are operating with the defined impact tolerance. To have an effective testing, the scenarios have to be defined at granular level. At the system level, the process level, the activities within the process, the resources to be defined, and most importantly, the vulnerabilities that can cause disruption to service also to be defined. It all depends on how well the scenarios are defined so that the testing becomes really effective. Testing is to remediate any vulnerabilities around critical business services. It's important to identify all plausible events which could cause tolerable harm to the firm, to its customers, or its market reputation. The most appropriate testing method will depend on several factors. It could be the type of business the firm is into, the sectors, the services, and more importantly, the scale at which the firm is operating. So, to carry out scenario testing, the firm should identify appropriate range of adverse circumstances and its impact on the firm. Scenario testing should take into consideration all plausible adverse events that can happen around critical business services. This could range from corruption of data, the manipulation of data, availability of facilities, availability of people, IT systems, and even the availability of third-party services that are used as part of critical business services. The testing plan should ensure every scenario that is defined to keep the critical business service under tolerance limit is covered in the testing. It should also look into the number of CBS or critical business services tested and at what frequency. The simulation of multi-point disruption at CBS is another important factor to be considered in creating a testing plan. Another aspect is the communication strategy when there is a disruption in service. How do you communicate the remediation plans and the communication to the external stakeholders and internal stakeholders when there is a disruption to a critical business service? All these factors play an important role in creating a testing plan.